Good evening viewers, welcome to Tenimax. I am moving to continue exercise 4.4 question number 2. Given 3 subdivision, so one by one we have to discuss. First one subdivision 1 tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse minus 2. First term consider for x, second term consider for y means, so x is equal to tan inverse root 3. So tan bring out opposite side means tan x is equal to root 3. According to the unit circle, tan positive all silver teacup first and third. So range actually negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So we have to look at first quadrant. Range வந்துட்டு negative pi by 2 positive pi by 2 வர்றதுனால first quadrant check out பண்ணா போதும். ஏன்னா positive வர்றதுனால. So already we know all the value positive in tan. Therefore x is equal to pi by 3. What is the value actually? X is equal to pi by 3. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Okay. Now x is equal to pi by 3, but I have considered for what is the value of x? Tan inverse root 3. So tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Okay. First term. Moving to second one also, y is equal to secant inverse minus 2. So secant inverse minus 2 means reciprocal of cos, isn't it? So y is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. So reciprocal of cos means cos bring out opposite side means cos y is equal to negative 1 by 2. Therefore y is equal to, according to the unit circle, negative cos all silver teacup. So negative means definitely cos negative, second and third. So cos would range actually 0 to pi. So second quadrant will be move on. It called, what is என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் second quadrant? Pi minus theta. Therefore cos is definitely in truth table in finger 1 by 2 வந்திருக்கு. So cos always you have to check it actually little side. So little side 1 by 2 means, so pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3. Okay. So y is equal to pi by 3 but negative. It belongs to 0 to pi. Okay. So 0 to pi. So 0 to pi means actually, yeah, negative, sorry my dear, negative, no, this is pi minus theta, isn't it? So pi minus theta means y is equal to pi minus it. So y ஓட வேல்யூ வந்துட்டு எதுக்கு நமக்கு 1 by 2 வரும்? pi by 3 தான் நமக்கு cos pi by 3 தான் 1 by 2 வரும். அப்போ pi minus pi by 3 ன்னு எழுதுறோம். Then what will happen? So y is equal to 3 pi minus pi 3. Therefore 3 pi minus pi means 2 pi by 3. This is the value of y. It belongs to 0 to pi. Okay. Therefore y already considered. Therefore y, what the answer? 2 pi by 3. Y is equal to secant inverse of minus 2. So secant inverse of minus 2 is equal to 2 pi by 3. It belongs to 0 to pi. Okay. Now x and y minus, isn't it? Final answer. So x value, that means tan inverse root 3 value pi by 3. Then center minus sign, secant inverse of minus 2, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So common denominator same, no, 3 means pi minus 2 pi is equal to minus pi by 3. This is subdivision 1 answer. Okay, moving to subdivision 2. So subdivision 2, look at there, sin inverse minus 1. Sin inverse minus 1 plus cos inverse 1 by 2 plus cot inverse 2. So first term consider for x, second term consider for y, third term consider for z. So x is equal to sin inverse of minus 1. Again sin bring out opposite side means sin x is equal to minus 1. So sin ingella positive or sorry negative all silver teacup means third and fourth will be negative, but sin range negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So we have to check it actually. So fourth quadrant actually cos will be cos only positive. Here we have sin. இப்போ கண்டிப்பாக வந்துட்டு நமக்கு pi by 2 தான் 1 வரும். அப்போ pi by 2 எழுதணும், but negative. It belongs to, clear எழுதுறேன். So x is equal to pi by 2 negative. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. First one. Second term, y is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. Again cos bring out opposite side means cos y is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore y is equal to cos. Cos means always you have to check it little side 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means definitely pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3. So y is equal to pi by 3. It belongs to cos, no, 0 to pi. Okay. So 0 to pi. Now y already considered cos inverse of 2, isn't it? Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. It's equal to pi by 3. But here, you forgot, what is the value of x? Sin inverse of minus 1. Sin inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 2, isn't it? So third condition, actually third condition, cot inverse of 2. அதாவது இந்த இது வந்து ரேஞ்ச் வந்து நமக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் எல்லா ரேஞ்சுமே 0 to 1 அந்த மாதிரி ரேஞ்சு 2ன்னு வரதுனால ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் அது அப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம். அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் வராது, அது அப்படி எழுதணும். ஸோ அப்போ கண்டிஷன் படி இப்போ எக்ஸோட ஆன்சர் என்னென்னு வந்திருக்கு நமக்கு? நெகட்டிவ் பை பை 2. நெகட்டிவ் பை பை 2. ஒய்யோட ஆன்சர் பாசிட்டிவ் பை பை 3 ப்ளஸ் காட் இன்வர்ஸ் 2. Now first two condition, common denominator 6 means 6 divided by 2 means 3. 3 into pi means minus 3 pi. Second condition, plus 6 divided by 3 means 2. 2 into pi means 2 pi plus last condition as it is cot inverse 2. Again minus 3 pi plus 2 pi means minus pi by 6 plus cot inverse 2. Therefore starting positive means just you have to interchange. Answer, final answer, cot inverse 2 minus pi by 6. Final answer for subdivision 2. Okay. Moving to subdivision third. Subdivision third, cot inverse 1 then plus sin inverse minus root 3 by 2, final one minus secant inverse minus root 2. This is first term x, second term consider for y, third term consider for z. So solution, x is equal to cot inverse 1. What is the meaning of cot? Reciprocal of tan, isn't it? Therefore x is equal to tan inverse 1 by 1 means 1 will be repeated. So tan bring out opposite side means tan x is equal to 1. So definitely tan pi by 4 value will be 1. Therefore x is equal to pi by 4. Its range actually negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. First one. X already considered for what is the name? Cot inverse 1, isn't it? So cot inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. Second term, sin inverse minus root 3 by 2. So y is equal to sin inverse minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Again, sin bring out opposite side means sin y is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Therefore, this is we need to actually unit side because negative sign, no? All silver teacup. Whatever where the quadrant will be sign only negative. Sign only negative, third and fourth in this, third and fourth, but sign negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So surely we have to check it fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means cos only positive. So just we have to rearrange it. Therefore, y definitely value will be sin, what you have to, where you have to check it actually according to the finger truth table. Root 3 by 2 sin is it. Sin means always we have to check it thumb side. So root 3 by 2 means definitely root 3 by 2, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, then only thumb side 3 finger is there, no? So root 3 by 2, so pi by 6, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3. So y is equal to pi by 3, it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Already what is considered? Y means sin inverse, but minus, okay, sorry, this is minus, okay, sin inverse minus root 3 by 2 is equal to minus pi by 3, okay. Second term over. Moving to third one. This is we need cot inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. Third one, z consider, no? So z is equal to secant inverse of minus root 2. So what is the meaning of secant? Reciprocal of cos, isn't it? Therefore, z is equal to cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. Now, cos bring out opposite sign means cos z is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Therefore, z is equal to, so cos negative, all silver teacup, definitely 0 to pi. So, cos negative means second and third. Second and third means 0 to pi means definitely it's called pi minus theta. Cos 1 by root 2 in finger truth table. Cos already I told you, you have to check it in thumb side. 1 by root 2, definitely middle finger. Pi by 6, pi by 4, okay. So, therefore, z is equal to pi minus pi by 4. Then cross multiply means 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi means 3 pi by 4. So, definitely we can say 3 pi by 4, it belongs to 0 to pi. Okay. Check it there, 180 divided by 4 means definitely 180 divided by 4. So, 4 4s are 16. So, 45. So, 45 into 3 means definitely 45 plus double of 45 means 90. 90 plus 40 means 135. So, 180 kulla kandipa irukku. So, correct answer. Z is equal to what is the answer? 3 pi by 4. Okay. But second answer here is there, isn't it? This is we need. This is third answer. So, Z is equal to what is the name actually? Secant inverse of? Secant inverse of minus root 2 is equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay. So, first one, what is answer? Pi by 4. Second answer already plus sign is there, but if here we have minus, isn't it? So, minus pi by 3. Third, here common minus is there, but answer we have 3 pi by 4. Now, 3 pi by 4, just to simplify now, common denominator 12 means what will happen? 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 into pi means 3 pi. Second time 12 divided by 3 means 4 times. 4 into pi means 4 pi. Last one 12 divided by 4 means 3 times. So, 3 into 3 means 9 minus 9 pi. Again 3 pi minus 13 pi divided by 12. So, 3 pi minus 13 pi means minus 10 pi by 12. So, 10 and 12 cancel means 6. 5 divided by 6. So, therefore, final answer minus pi by 6. This is a subdivision third answer. Okay. So, possible questions separate panni kekalam. So, please listen my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay. Thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye-bye.